Big tube right there.
Ah, okay. And okay. So this is a hydro.
That's a thruster hydraulic.
Hydraulic.
This is all hydraulic.
So all of
So
them
the motor drives the hydraulic pump,
Okay.
which provides 3,000 PSI hydraulic pressure.
So you have 1, 2, 3, maybe
Six thrusters.
That's it. And all of them hydraulic.
Yep.
Why?
More efficient.
More efficient.
Yeah. More powerful. So we built our own electric vehicle probably about 20 years ago, and the problem, because they wanted something else quieter, we didn't want the hydraulic pump, and what they found out was that they didn't have any power at all, so
Nice.
they couldn't bring things. The payload was so little. They went back to hydraulic.
What is this?
ADCP,
What is this?
acoustic Doppler current profiler.
Okay. So it's
It's got 4 beams, and it can measure water velocity, or it can tell you where you are in relation to the bottom. When we're in bottom, we get bottom lock, and you can tell our control system station keeping. Like, hey, we're over this dot. Keep me over that dot, and the control system will keep me there. And then I can tell it.
so it's all by acoustic.
Yeah. I can tell it, move me over 2 meters to the right, and the control system will move me over 2 meters, and we'll know by that, by measuring distance. Like that.